And the other way that we can magic profit in our business is to do a review on our offerings, on our products, services, programs, whatever they happen to be. Are they truly profitable for you? If you look at each of your offerings in its own silo, is it delivering money to the overheads of the business? Is it delivering money for tax? Is it delivering profit? Is it delivering owner's pay? Is it profitable in its own right? And is it still profitable if you at some point are delivering those products, programs, or services? But at some point, you'll need to hire somebody to do that. You'll need to hire help. Will they still be profitable at that point? Are you giving your own time away for free when you're looking at the profitability of your offerings? So making sure you understand that as well is going to be another way that you can magic profit in your business that may not be there at this point in time, or feels like it's not there at this point in time as well. Okay. So those two exercises alone will help you discover more profit in your business. I am sure of that. We have not worked with one Business Academy client that has not managed to find profit by doing these exercises. So I highly recommend that you set some time aside and look at those too.